If there is a Superman in tech gadgets, it's undoubtedly the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Samsung's latest groundbreaking tech has to undoubtedly be the Galaxy Z Fold 3. You're asking why? Well, keep watching this video until the end to find out. Welcome back to Purvika, and here we are to talk about some of the cool tech in the industry. When you get your hands on the latest Galaxy Z Fold 3, just know that it's probably the best consumer tech that one can own in the market for another year. Let's jump straight into it. We all love the Samsung Galaxy Note series for its special feature, that is the S Pen. We also saw it incorporated on the Galaxy S21 earlier this year. Speculations were amok about the incorporation onto the Galaxy Fold series, and here we are in the third gen with the S Pen compatibility. Does it matter? Well, let's find out. Here is how the S Pen works on the Note. There is something called the active digitizer under the glass. So when the S Pen gets close to the screen, the magnetic field of the active digitizer will induce or send current that powers the internal circuit. Very similar to how wireless charging works, but here it does not require so much of power. The S Pen, when energized, gets closer to the screen and information is already sent, which means you don't even have to touch the screen and the S Pen is already registered. The screen knows when your S Pen touches the surface and tracks your path as the S Pen moves across the screen. This tech is far more accurate than capacitive stylus, and hence your S Pens don't work with any other device. It works far better than any regular stylus that you get from the market. Now you might ask, all that is fine. So they just implemented it on the Z Fold. So what? They could have done it before. That is where Samsung just managed to solve one of the biggest problems in the tech industry. To understand how they solve these problems, let's look at a few other things here. Samsung Fold 1 and the Z Fold 2 were one-of-a-kind devices, but their biggest criticism happens to be the ultra-thin display facing wear and tear issues. This time, Samsung strengthens their screen by not just 20% or by 30%, but by 80% compared to the Z Fold 2. For scale comparison, let's just say they made an almost Saturn-sized jump. Saturn is 95 times larger than Earth and has 82 moons. Compare that to the solitary moon that you and I stare in the middle of the night from planet Earth. Well, this Saturn-sized jump is what brings in the ability of this device to handle pressure. The thin layer on the main fold display can now confidently handle stress coming from the S Pen, which wasn't the case before. That's where we come to the other challenge that Samsung faced. If you did not know how Samsung's display worked on the Fold, Samsung split its touch sensor duty between both the sides of the Fold. These are two separate plate sensors working together to algorithmically predict your touch between these folds based on where your finger was or which sensor your finger was near to. But what happens when you use the S Pen? It's smaller in its surface area. Now predicting the touch algorithmically becomes exponentially difficult. That's where Z Fold 3 has solved this issue. They managed to formulate a much more refined algorithm to take touch inputs from S Pen near the folds. This in fact makes it more precise than our fingers on the display. Adding to that, we have full vision display. No punch hole, no bezels. It has a 120Hz display. It's spectacular to say the least. We all know how good Samsung's OLED displays are with the color reproduction. That is what we are talking about. Samsung does not stop there. They made this device IPX8 water resistant rating, which is incredible for a device with so many moving parts. We get to see another cool tech on the Fold screen here. It's got a hidden under display selfie camera, the first on a foldable device. What if I say we have 5 selfie cameras on this device alone? We have 3 main camera modules which can be used while clicking a picture, with the front screen showing what's on the display. And we have a solitary one on the front screen when it's folded, one when it's unfolded. Are you still questioning why this device is groundbreaking? Well then don't worry. We have more such tech videos coming your way which might just change your mind. Just stay tuned for our review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you wish to be the first to get hold of this milestone tech product, you should do so by clicking the link given below to pre-book the device at our Purvika website. And trust me, you wouldn't want to miss this one. That is all we have for you in this episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click on that bell icon for instant notifications and I'll catch you guys on the next one.